Thank you very much, sir.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Where's my...
Not here, not here. You found it? You found it, Hughes?
Yeah, I found it.
Thank you.
You have price for those?
Yeah, we have everything.
Okay, please come job now. It's for the chicken. Lord?
You left me fries for one pita. Yeah, bring me the pita and the one stick. The pita and the one stick.
Front door open.
Walk with it, walk with it. Yeah, it's this one here. Thank you.
Computer for the dinner.
Yeah, I cut it, right?
Hotel?
It's in there.
Front door open.
Thank you, sir. You have everything, right? Thank you. Go the whole way, see? Go the whole way, see? There's nobody there for you right now. You sir, one more time? A safety, one chicken, one pork. Thank you, sir. Safety, right? Thank you. T, 2 paratha inside for me, please. Thank you. Thank you, Hughes. Thank you.
Chicken about a minute and a half.
Thank you, sir.